Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be making a towel pigeon. Let's begin. To make the pigeon, you will need one washcloth and one hand towel. Some eyes. Eyes you can make from paper. I made my eyes from paper. First, I will make the body of the pigeon. Now I will use the washcloth to make the tail feathers. Thank you for viewing this video. I hope that you have liked this video tutorial. Leave your comment in the comment sections down below. Let me know what you think of this video. If this is your first time on my channel, thank you very much for your visit. Go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you should never miss out on any new videos. You can also go ahead and share this video with someone else whom you think might like to see this video. And don't forget to leave your comment in the comment sections down below. Click on the links in the description box to see more awesome videos.